drips on the windowsill. The night's so thick it's standing still. A whistle hums through the misty lane, carried by whispers of a lonely train. Oh, passing train singing to the night, a distant call under dim soft light. You croon to the stars as they slowly wake, a soothing hymn from the midnight train. The rails stretch on like threads of fate, echoed by dreams that resonate. The hum of wheels a lullaby, pulling thoughts beneath the sky. Oh, passing train singing to the night, a distant call under dim soft light. You croon to the stars as they slowly wake, a soothing hymn from the midnight train. The whistle fades like fleeting time, yet it lingers still in unwound rhyme. A secret voice in the dark terrain, carrying stories along the train. Oh, passing train singing to the night, a distant call under dim soft light. You croon to the stars as they slowly wake,